How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your TeamViewer to laptop. Now, when you open up your TeamViewer, it will look something like this. Basically, you want to install TeamViewer in both laptops, and then you will get your ID and your password straight away. Now, from here, you simply don't need to create an account in order to do this. Just head over to the ID section, and basically you then want to copy this ID and then send it to the laptop that you want to connect to. From there, let's say that this is the laptop that we want to connect to. So you just want to paste your ID onto the session code itself, which will look something like this. And then you can then click the join session option. From there, it will ask for password. So you want to give the password to the second laptop, which is going to be the laptop that we're connecting into. And basically from there, you are good to go. Now, you want to make sure to reset your passwords as much as possible due to security reasons, so that the laptop that you're trying to connect to doesn't have a way to simply connect to your laptop back. So just have to keep that in mind. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.